Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make wine using Chambakka, only way. Begin by crushing ripe Chambakka, measure juice volume, and take an initial gravity reading. Add sugar if needed to reach target sweetness and potential alcohol, then pitch a reliable wine yeast. Keep the must between recommended temperatures, punch down the cap, and ferment until gravity stabilizes. Rack, clarify, and age the wine gently before bottling and labeling. Collect your ingredients and gear before you start to keep the process smooth and sanitary. For a basic Chambakka batch, you need fruit, water, yeast nutrient, wine yeast, and optional sugar to adjust potential alcohol. Measure acidity and adjust pH if necessary to protect yeast health. Prepare clean containers and fermentation locks, and have a hydrometer handy to measure specific gravity. Proper preparation saves time and prevents common problems. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that seal tightly and stack nicely, perfect for storing must-extracts or bottling snacks during long cellar sessions. They keep things tidy and reduce spills when moving batches around, which I appreciate during messy days. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start with a vigorous primary fermentation for 1 to 2 weeks, keeping the must aerated and at stable temperatures. After the active stage, siphon off lees and move to a carboy for secondary fermentation to clear and mellow the wine. Taste occasionally, monitor gravity, and only proceed when readings stay consistent. Once clear and stable, gently stabilize, bottle, and allow the wine to age until flavors integrate and soften for best results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.